Hi, I'm just gonna give you a little video on this hot water batch heater I've made a few years ago. It just feeds into there's cold water comes off my garden hose from the bottom of the well pump, and it feeds into the end of the tank down there where that tap is, and the halfway mark, and then there's a high point at the other end of the old hot water tank with a mirror at the back side, and it feeds through a hole in the wall and into down and into the bottom of my hot water tank. So this sort of preheats the hot water to my hot water tank, so there has to be a fair bit of a savings, especially when it's nice and sunny out in the warmer months. And towards the winter I'll drain it, and but it's just simply put together with I use 3 panes of glass, some old slider windows, and I got a big old, that's actually a dresser mirror at the back there. And yeah, it seems to work pretty good. It helps reduce some of my hot water, especially if you use it just after, towards the maybe 4 or 5, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, in that area. It'll be, that water be just about it'd be probably well over 100 degrees. So feeding that into the hot water tank should take very little to bring her back to uh, the hot water elements. I have electric heat, so it'll reduce my hot water heater usage. Just a little thing I made. It's got 3 inches of 3.5 inches of insulation all the way around. But yeah, it seems to work pretty good. And then I have over here, I have an old slider window with just 2 panes of glass in it. I sealed the front all up. I put some aluminum from an old trailer inside, but I've slotted it at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. Slotted it, and so the air will circulate up through that. And I have a little mirror out front here. It helps give it a little more angle in the summer, but eventually I'll cover that and when it gets too hot. But yeah, and there's a slider window like that opens up at the top side on the back side of the air space. So I just slide them windows open, and that lets the hot air into the house when I need it. So that's a couple little pretty simple solar projects that just about anybody could do. And yeah, it seems to work pretty good. You'd be surprised how much heat that'll throw, and even on a sunny day in the wintertime. And I should have a little fan in there that draws the heat out, but I just let it flow out naturally. And that's a couple little solar projects I did for today. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.